Happy Macaroni Day! I am ready to celebrate. I'm feeling the hashtag Macaroni Mania right now. This video is part of a bigger collaboration that I'm hosting. I'm gonna make a very special macaroni dish. Dessert Macaroni and Cheese. So grab your macaroni necklace and hat. Let's get cooking! I'm gonna start by boiling some macaroni, half a pound, al dente. Let that macaroni cool down. Let's make a roux with some butter and flour. 2 cups of milk. Once it thickens, add a teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, mix it, and allow it to cool. Time to work on my filling. I need a pack of cream cheese, softened. Half a cup of sugar, blend it on low. Add 1 egg and give it a little mix. Another egg and another mix. I'm gonna add and mix in that roux. Mix in the pasta and 2 cups of blueberries, fresh or frozen. I'm pouring that into a baking dish. In a small bowl, I'm going to mix a little panko crumbs and sugar. I'm going to sprinkle that on top. I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown. Dessert macaroni and cheese. This ought to be good. Dessert macaroni and cheese is out of the oven. Let's scoop it out. That's good. Very custardy. Love the blueberry in there. How fun! It's a dessert and it's macaroni and cheese. This video is part of a bigger collaboration that I'm hosting. If you want to see more videos celebrating macaroni, check out the hashtag Macaroni Mania, and you'll see a lot more videos. Thank you for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. What do you call mac and cheese that gets all up in your face? Too close for comfort food.